welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Sol. If you're new, let's get started. Today I was thinking of doing a grungy makeup look. Also, that was my cat. They're literally running around being crazy. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. putty primer. I know that they made one that was like liquid form, but I'm assuming it's the same thing, so I'm not about to get that. Plus I haven't even finished this one, so I feel like that will be like pointless to get the same primer just like in a different form. I love using this primer. This is actually my second one, because if you look at my older videos, I literally use this primer to the rim. There was nothing left. Alright, so for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. This is in the color dark brown. I'm going to be using this top one for the front of my brow and the bottom one for the end of my brow, so it's a little darker. Whatever, like, however this comes out, it's however I'm gonna have to go to work, because after I'm done recording the video, I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to, like, if something goes wrong, like, get ready again, if that makes sense. Gosh, I love doing this brow. This brow is like my nice, easy brow to do. Like, literally my favorite brow. Okay, so I feel like my eyebrows look good. I'm going to be using the brow lift from e.l.f. I literally love this thing, so good. Just a little bit. There's this YouTuber named Phil Cooper. I've been literally binge watching all of his videos because this guy is fucking hilarious. Like, so for grunge makeup, typically foundation is matte foundation. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte. Woo! I just dropped it. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. This is in the color 11A, which is light beige. I'm gonna do like a very light layer. Just cause, you know, I don't want it to be super heavy. My skin it's been kind of weird. Like, I don't know what's going on with it. Oh, that looks so pretty. Yeah, my skin has just been kind of weird. I don't know why, but maybe because I also wasn't getting enough sleep. Because my sleep hasn't been like the best. Because I get home so late from work. I kind of want to have another kid, but the economy is not looking too good. Like, it's already like kind of hard. Even like for people who don't even have kids, it's hard. For people who have kids, it's hard. Like, it's hard for everybody. But I'm not gonna have one right now because like the economy is not looking good. Like, things are not looking too fresh and dandy around here. I just don't want my kids to be like 10 years apart like me and my sister. I want them to be a little bit closer in age so they can, you know, grow up together and stuff. But I'm not about to have enough kids just because of that. Like, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow primer. This is the YC collection. I honestly always forget to use eyeshadow primers. I don't know. I just always forget to use them, literally. I have 2 of them and they're always just sitting on my drawer. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Like always, because this is bomb. And I'm just gonna do a little bit. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Potty Bronzer. I want to get the e.l.f. Potty Bronzer, but like in a more cooler tone than this one, because this is more like, yeah, this is a bronzer, but if I get a more cooler tone, it will be more of a contour. I love emphasizing this part of my face. I don't know why. My chin, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna be using these two blushes. As you all know, I'm obsessed with coral blush, so of course I have to do that one. And this is the TYS Beauty blush. This is the color Juice. Is juicy, and this is the e.l.f. blush, and this is in the color coral this is in the color Coral Crush. Why is that so hard for me to say? Coral Crush, Coral Crush, whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna put this one first, and then I'm gonna go with the coral one on top. So I'm gonna put it like right here on my cheekbones type thing. You know what blushes I really want to try? I want to try the Rare Beauty ones because those are so pigmented. It's kind of wild. I feel like if I get Rare Beauty blushes, I will never have to buy any more blush again. Just blend it in. Oh my god! That's so pretty! Oh, so beautiful, man. I'm gonna put a little bit on my chin because I think it just looks right. A little bit up here. Just whatever's left on the brush, that's what I do. For my nose. Now everything's like right. And then this one, like right here. Oh, yes. I'm gonna use this just to. Oh, that looks so pretty. Oh, I just feel like that looks beautiful. I'm gonna be taking the pressed powder from PYT Beauty. I'm gonna set my eyes with this. And then I'm just gonna take it to my nose as well. I might do a little bit more bronzing with the powder bronzer because I feel like I just need a little bit more. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. powder contour palette. One of the hardest part that I found about like doing content and stuff. So you know how every content creator says, like, if you're doing YouTube, people are always like, they're always like, oh, your thumbnail is like one of the main things that you have to, you know, do really nice to attract people's, like, you know, attention and all that stuff, which I think is true, very true. When I myself consume content, that's the first thing I look at, the thumbnail. Like, is this gonna be an interesting video? I have such a hard time like creating thumbnails. It's kind of painful. It's like I hate doing thumbnails so much, like, you know, like, and I'm working on it to make them look nicer and stuff. I've gotten better. I do have to say that I've gotten better, but I'm not that great at it. I try, but I'm gonna be using the Stone Cold Fox palette by ColourPop, and also this Dream palette, Berries and Cream Dreams by Violet Boss palette. This palette is so pretty. So I'm gonna start with Query Days, and it's this like brownish color right here. I'm gonna place that all over my crease, and I'm also gonna wing it out. So I'm just putting this on my crease and then blending it up above my crease and then just winging it out. I'm gonna use the Glamberry from the Berries and Cream palette. Take some of that, just a little bit, and I'm gonna put it right here, right under my crease. Just because it's grungy, y'all, does not mean that you cannot have color. Reds, dark reds, mustard yellow, and also like earth greens are really good to use with grunge makeup looks. Like, they go really, really good. I'm going to be taking Cult Classic. I'm going to be taking this color. It's like a greenish brown, and place it and my crease. I'm gonna bring in more of that red tone a little bit. And just blend it in there, like that. And I'm just swiping the rest of whatever's in my brush, like all over my lid. Okay, so now for the bottom part of our eyes, I'm going to be taking this color. It's called Enigma, and it's this light color right here. I'm just very gently gonna kind of like sweep it on the inner corner at the bottom, almost as if we were creating eye bags in a way. And we're gonna take a little bit of that red again. See this, where I'm putting it? That's where I'm placing it, under my eyes. Like this. Okay, that's what you want it to look like. I'm gonna be taking the color Ghost Town right here, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the first one and just kind of like sweeping it a little bit there, just a little bit, not too much, just like that. Alright, so we're pretty much done with the eyeshadow. I did forget one thing, and it's some highlighter. So I'm gonna be using the Tresluz Beauty. This is a dual highlighter, and this is in the Playa Dreams. Yeah, I have my lashes there, shut up. I'm gonna be using the powder side, which is this one. Eyeliner time, y'all already know. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner. This is in the color black, obviously, because you know. And I'm just gonna do like a wing liner. Every time I do this, I almost die. It's so hard to get both of them. It's so hard to get both of them like the same. Breathe. Okay, so we did the first liner. I will be right back when I'm done, guys, because this is taking me a while because I'm like literally holding my breath. Be right back. Okay, I'm back and I did my wings. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the inner corner wings, and yeah. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline gel liner. This is in the color brown. This is just brown eyeliner. I don't have a black one, but I really like using the gel liners in my waterline because first of all, this is waterproof. The one that I got is waterproof. There's one that are not. So I'm just going to put it all over my waterline. I'm not sure you're supposed to put on your waterline, but I do. And it works just fine for me. So I'm a dum-dum because I didn't realize I didn't finish my eyeliner on this side, like on my lid. I did not do the same thing I did on the other one. I'm gonna be using the Sky High mascara, and I'm gonna use this for my top lashes, and I'm gonna use the Neogen Extra Slim Metal mascara. This is so cool. Like, you can't tell me this is not cool. I'm gonna use this for my bottom lashes. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to be using New Truffle by NYX. Then I'm going to be using the Milani. This is in the color Tease 420. This is so pretty, you guys. And then I'm not done. I'm gonna be using this. I have to put this on every single like lip combo I do. Okay, this is my favorite lip like thing ever. This is the Red Blonde Matte Lip Mousse in the color Spice, and I'm just gonna put like a little bit in the middle. Last but not least, we have to seal everything with setting spray. This is the Ice Beauty Seal It, and this is what I'm gonna be using today since it's the only one I have left out of all my setting spray. I hate this part. I hate it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had really, it was fun making it, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you don't follow me, why are you not following me? I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so I would really appreciate if you guys follow, click that follow button, comment if you like the makeup look, and if you will try it for yourself. See you guys the next time. I love you.